Hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Hello everyone and welcome. I can see Vedant, I can see Dhruvansh, I can see Jia. I know very good, very early morning for you people. I can see Mishita, I can see Priyanka, superb. Who else? We have Kanak, we have Naja. Come on screen everyone. Can someone speak? So Mishita, wake up. Very good morning. I can understand. What time you wake up, guys? Tell me. So I wake up very early, you know? What time I wake up?
I usually wake up at 6 o'clock because my bus is at 7.
And I usually wake up at 12 o'clock because my class is at 1 o'clock. Okay, so big difference because I sleep at 3. But anyway, so welcome everyone. So that's why I was telling Nishita, it's too early for you. For me, it's like half night, right? Kanak, okay. So is everyone able to hear me, right? Dhruvansh, Priyanka, Kanak?
Yes, sir.
Who is missing? Mayank is missing. Okay. So yesterday we started with the first chapter of geometry. So guys, I'll tell you, geometry is little difficult initially. So we're going to go slow. Okay? The basic concepts, and then you're going to slowly learn on top of that. Let's take first 5 minutes to revise. Ask me as many questions as you have. Okay, everyone. Naja, Jia, ask me. So yesterday we started with 2D, 3D and all things. Main thing was polygons. What is a polygon, Priyanka? Unmute everyone, please. What is a polygon, Priyanka? What is a polygon? What is a polygon, Nishita? Mayank also is there now. Good. What is a polygon? You are unmute. Guys, everybody should be unmute, okay? So you can directly speak.
There is at least 3 sides.
Okay. But the main definition is what? Yes.
A simple closed.
A simple closed curve. It has to be closed, it has to be simple. Right? Like when you say infinity, it's a closed, but it's not simple, right? It's crossing. So a simple closed curve, then Vedant says at least 3 or more sides. 3 is triangle, 4 onwards, polygon. Triangle is also a polygon. Now we talked about regular polygon and irregular polygon. Kanak, what is regular polygon?
Each side equal.
Each side is equal in length. Correct. So example of Dhruvansh, what is example of regular polygon?
So square.
Square. Very good. Tell me, Naja or Jia, a rectangle. A rectangle is a regular polygon or irregular polygon? Jia or Naja, any one of you.
A regular polygon.
Rectangle is regular or irregular?
Regular.
It is not regular, irregular. Why? Does rectangle have all equal sides? No. Only 2 equal sides, 2 not equal, right? So it is not a regular, it's called irregular. So regular polygon, all sides equal, like square. Even rhombus. Rhombus is a regular polygon, right? Vedant, correct? What about parallelogram? Parallelogram again is a irregular. So yesterday I told you angle sum property. Who can tell me what is angle sum property? Mayank, come on screen. Who can tell me what is angle sum property? Mishita, yes please.
N minus 2 times 180, and using that you have to find the angle, the total angle in
what
one.
Is n here? What is n here?
N is the number of sides.
Number of sides. So angle sum property is n minus 2 times 180 degree. So if n is 3, 3 minus 2. N is 4, 4 minus 2. What is the rule for external angle sum? Who will tell me? What is the sum of external angle? Dhruvansh?
So it depends on the polygon.
No.
No, wait, sorry.
External angle is always
360.
Correct? So that we learned yesterday. Now let's talk about, yesterday we also learned regular, irregular, we also learned angle property, we also learned how to see inward, outward. Let's go more deep into it. Today we're going to more deep into it, naming of polygons. And then, so let's first, today is more about polygons and quadrilaterals. Okay. So we talked about regular and irregular. We talked about regular and irregular, correct? We said regular means all sides equal in length. Sides may not be equal. Correct? Some sides can be equal, but all cannot be equal. Now, there is another way of saying convex polygon, concave polygon. What is cave? Naja, what do you mean by cave? Simple cave. Have you visited a cave, Naja? Cave देखा है कभी? गुफा, cave.
Sir, curve object.
Curve भी हो सकता, नहीं हो सकता. What is cave? But so Naja, जैसे suppose if I make like this, and you are entering like this, you are entering a cave, right? गुफा के अंदर जा रहे, right? Cave, convex, concave. So cave word भी, the word cave also like it's a kind of a cave. Concave, okay. So why I'm telling you all this, because how to find out which is concave and which is convex? Let me draw one polygon. One, this. It's a polygon, right? Let me make it like this. Another polygon is, one is the green, one is the blue. You have to look from outside. Now this polygon is the concave, because cave, this is something like cave. Yes, Vedant, you were saying something?
No, I was just going to answer.
Okay. So this one is concave. This is convex. For example, if I make something like that, the red one. Tell me, Jia, the red polygon is a concave polygon or convex polygon? You have to look from
Concave.
outside. You have to look from outside. So it's a convex.
Convex.
You have to look from outside. See, if you look from outside, this one is cave.
Oh, right.
You look from
So it's a
outside.
convex.
Convex. Correct?
Yes.
Convex and concave. I'll again make some more polygons. I'll put a number inside, okay? Now, please tell me number 1, number 2, number 3. What is 1, what is 2, what is 3? All are polygons. Which is concave, which is convex? Everybody's ready. True answer.
So number 3 is concave and the rest are convex.
Vedant. I'll ask everyone, then I'll give my answer. Vedant, quickly.
Yeah, the third one is concave and the first and second are
Priyanka.
Sir,
Oh, sorry.
third one is concave and both are convex.
Naja.
Sir, 1 and 2 are convex, then 3 is concave.
Why? Raja?
Because for the 3, it is like the cave, but
So
for
all
1,
of you,
it's not.
perfectly. So all of you are correct. Only third one is the concave. The remaining all are convex. Simple. Can anyone?
Sir, please explain this once more.
So Mayank, देखो क्या हो रहा है? See, in this you are going inside the inside loop, right? It's inside curve, right? This.
Yes, sir.
बाकी सब में there is nothing like it's like from look from outside. Look from outside. There is no opening. There is nothing like cave type, right? So इसके अंदर cave type है, right? You are going inside like this cave, right?
Okay, sir.
So concave.
Okay, sir.
Otherwise, perfect.
Sir, I have a question.
Ask me please.
So you see, for example, number 3 is concave. So like if you draw a convex figure on the other side of question number 3, then would it be concave or convex?
So I could means you are trying to say if I draw like this, are you saying like this? Are you asking me this? Dhruvansh? Or you can draw in the notebook and tell me what you are.
Yes, sir, something like that. But you see the line on the right side, it is like pointed on the other direction.
Okay, I understood what you said. Very nice question. So guys, first one is concave. Second one is convex. You are clear. What Dhruvan is asking is something very interesting. It's like, what sir, if I make it, let me make it now a blue one. That's a very nice question. Nobody asked that. Intelligent question. If I make something, see this. If I make a polygon like this, and if I make a polygon like this, what do you call it? That's your question, right?
Yes, sir.
This will still be called as concave because there is some side which is bending inside. If there is any side bending inside, it's a concave. Even one side.
Okay, sir.
Even if there are more side bending inside, then also it's concave. Even if you make like this, which is self-explanatory. This definitely you agree, right?
Yes, sir.
But in the previous case also, if any one side also bending inside, it is concave. So what I want all of you to do is draw a concave hexagon. I want to see how many of you can do it and show me quickly. Okay, you have only 30 seconds.
So, where do we draw it? In our notebook.
In your notebook and show me on the screen like this. Huh, Mishita? Priyanka, you can or not? Huh, Raja?
So, sir, if like just one part of it is bent inside like a
Then it
concave,
is concave, right?
is even if the other parts are like
Outside.
bending outside.
Definitely.
Sir, I'm done.
Show me.
So just
Sorry, me too.
Show me quickly. On screen like this. So, yes. Put it a little more right side. Yes, you are right. To watch. Good.
Sir, mine is a little tiny.
It's good. But let me count sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Oh,
Your diagram is correct in shape, but no, sides are 7. Okay. Show me. 2 people have shown me. Kanak, Jia, Nishita, little bit or 1, 2. No, show me. Let me check, Nishita. Little more nearby. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You are correct. 1, 2. Kanak, I am saying 1, 2. It's okay, Kanak. Finally, you manage somehow. Okay, good. Priyanka, Mayank, you are good. Priyanka,
sir,
you are
I have
good.
a question.
1 second. Naja, show me. Naja, how many sides you made? It's correct, it's concave, but how many sides? We need only 6 sides. Hexagon, you made lot of. Count all the edges. So, Naja, I'll tell you one thing. Okay. So, Vedant, just wait for a moment. Jia, it's 2. Yes, correct, Jia. Good. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. So, before Vedant asks his question, I want to explain one thing, Naja, to you and everyone else. Okay? Because I think some of you are confused. Everybody count. Naja, how many sides this polygon has? This is a polygon, right? How many sides you will count it here? You will say 1 is this, 2 is this, 3 is this, 4 is this, 5 is this, 6 is this, 7 is this, 8 is sides, right? 8 sides, Naja. It's an octagon. But well done. So you draw hexagon means 6 sides. Vedant, ask me your question now.
Sir, you answered it all.
Thank you. The point is everybody understood regular irregular polygon and everybody understood what is convex and concave polygon, right? No question at all. Now, very important thing. How
Sir, I
to
have a question.
ask me, please.
So can you draw concave and convex on polygons as irregular as what do you say, complex polygons?
You can make both them regular or irregular. Always.
Okay,
Depends
sir.
on your need. Yes, you can draw irregular also, regular also. There is no dependency, no relationship between regular, irregular, and concave, convex. Both are independent. Good question. Two marks. Very good question you're asking. I'm very happy. Any other question, anyone? Now, how to name polygon? Sides and angles. Lot of confusion is there. You know, a lot of people ask me, sir, they tell it wrong. So it's for you people. Suppose say I draw something like it's a polygon or not? It's a polygon.
It is.
First rule is suppose I name it A, B, C. Again, it's not a rule. It's a, I'll say, it's not a rule, but it's good practice. You always write in alphabetical order, generally. You cannot say A, B, Y. You can say that, but it's a good practice. But how to name is, you will say it's A, B, C, D. Either you can say it's A, B, C, D, or you can say B, C, D, A, or you can say C, D, A, B, or you can say D, A, B, C, D, A, B, C. Or there are so many names, or you can say it D, C, B, A, C, B, A, D, B, A, C, B, C. That's it. Now, one thing you notice, there are so many names, you can say any of them, but you have to always go in a cycle, either clockwise or anti-clockwise. Understood, Priyanka? Naja? Like, if Naja suppose say, Naja says, sir, I like clockwise. And Naja says, sir, I love A. So Naja will start from here. She will say A, B, C, D. Correct? A, B, C, D. Kanak say, no, sir, I like B. So I'll start from B. You can say that. You can say my name of this is B, C, D, A. That is also correct. But Priyanka said, no, sir, I like anti-clockwise. It's always your choice, guys. So Priyanka said, no, sir, I like anti-clockwise and I'm going to start from C. So C, B, A, D. That is also correct. You can name it any ways. But you cannot name it like A, C, B, D. Now, can Mishita tell me why we cannot name it A, C, B, D? Why not? I wrote so many names, but you cannot call it A, C, B, D. Why? No idea?
No.
Vedant. I'll come to you.
Sir, there's no line connecting A and C.
one reason. Okay. Naja, I'll come to Kanak also. Tell me, Naja, why?
So if we
I think she's
keep
breaking.
to the whole shape will change, right?
Shape will not change, but okay. Kanak, I want to hear from everyone. Kanak, then Jia, then Nishita.
A and C are across from each other.
Yes. Nishita and Jia. First Jia, then Nishita.
You can like go like clockwise and counterclockwise, like go
Exactly.
around, but you
Yes,
can't go.
that's the best answer. Guys, crossing and other thing. Only two rules. Either go clockwise or anti-clockwise. You cannot go in between like this, okay? Clockwise or anti-clockwise. Nothing else. See, the moment if I go, listen carefully. If I go ACBD, how I am going? ACBD, what? I'm crossing? No. Either clockwise or anti-clockwise. Is understood, everybody? Naja, good. Yeah, very good. Everyone. Nishita, you wanted to say something?
No, sir. I think someone else did.
Perfect. So now tell me, if okay, I'll draw one more polygon. I want everyone to tell me at least 5 names. At least 5 names you will tell me, okay? 5 correct names, okay? Let's see how many. Acha, this is a polygon or not?
It is
Which polygon it is?
Concave.
Convex.
pentagon with
It's
concave.
a pentagon, it's a concave, right? PQR. What I want you to tell me is, write on the chat, write at least 5 different names, but all correct one. It's a PQRST pentagon. I am telling one, okay? It's a pentagon. PQRST. You write just names on the chat. Let's see how many can write 5 correct names. Okay, Mayank, you cannot change small to capital. No. No. Guys, it's a capital P, it's capital P. It's very important. Keep writing everyone. And guys, don't write on the private chat. Write on the everyone's chat. SRQT, no Priyanka. There are 5 sides, Priyanka. QRSTP. QRSTP is correct. Vedant, PQRST, TSR, QP, SQR, SRQPT, correct. PT is correct. Very good, Vedant. Mayank, write in capital letters, please. It's not correct. Capital letters, please. Nishita, PQRST is there. QRSTP, good. Everyone should write. RSTQP, correct. Oh, RSTPQ is correct. Okay. Priyanka, I'm waiting for you also. QRSTP. QRSTP is correct. TPQRST is correct. So everybody understood the method or not? Very good. Thank you. Now, if I write this, tell me Mayank, this name is
Yes, sir.
correct or wrong, okay? TPSRQ. Is it correct or wrong, Mayank?
Sir, wrong.
Why wrong?
Sir, it is and not anti-clockwise and
It's not in a
clockwise.
cycle, correct. Priyanka, can I write this SRQTP or not?
No, sir.
Why?
Sir, because it is not a clockwise or anti-clockwise.
Correct. Kanak, can I write like this or not?
Yes.
No. There is nothing like small p, small q, small r, small s. No. All capitals. Naming is important, okay? I never use small letters, right, Kanak? So we cannot mix and match. Even we cannot do like this P, Q, R, S. This is also wrong. Right? Nishita, tell any one name which is wrong.
RTPQS.
RTO. She has made very good, wrong. Very good. Tell me, Vedant, one more wrong.
RQTPS.
RQ, TPS.
TP.
Good. Naja, tell me one more round. See, it's so easy to name, right?
Yes, sir. PRT.
PRT.
PRSQ.
PRTSQ.
Also, sir, I couldn't type in the chat because of water.
No problem, Naja. See, guys, and also, if I write this PQR, this is also wrong. Wait. If I write this as PQR, is it correct or wrong?
Sir, wrong.
Why wrong?
Sir, all letters are not
It's
there.
incomplete. You are right, man. It's incomplete. We cannot do that. Cool. So this is how naming the polygons. Now we'll learn about naming the sides. Very easy, but still naming the sides. Because I have seen a lot of people do mistake. I don't know why. Naming the side. How many sides it has?
5.
5.
So I can say
5.
one sign is PQ, one is QR, one is RS, one is ST, one is TP. Or I can say ulta also, doesn't matter. But sides names are this. Or I can say QP, TP, whatever, RS, ST.
Sir, can we say TR?
Say again.
Sir, TR.
TR, no. Very good question. Mayank, why we cannot say, is there any line joining T and R? No,
No, sir.
you cannot. See, sides are what? This is my first side. This is my second side. This is my third side. If I go clockwise, fourth side, fifth side. You can't say anything else. So what you said, Mayank, was diagonal. When you mix T and R, it's become diagonal, right? So understood the naming? Tell me, Kanak, TQ, is it a valid side or not? TQ.
No,
TQ is not valid. Why?
because it's not next to each other.
It is not, we are not, there is no point joining them and it is not a sides of the, right? Tell me, Najah, SP is the name of a side of a pentagon or no?
So SP is wrong.
Wrong, because SP is like, it's causing it. It is not the external side, right? Priyanka, tell me TP, PQ, and QS. These all are sides of this pentagon or not?
Yes, sir.
Check.
Sir, QS is not.
So yes, nahi bolna hai. You are right. So TP and PQ are QS. Is everybody good about naming the sides?
Sir, why QS is not
Yes.
there? Because direct line is not there.
Correct. That's what. That's why it is not. Is everyone clear about naming the sides?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
Sir,
the most important thing I'm going to tell you now, which lot of people do mistake, okay? Now we are going to do naming the angles, which lot of people do mistake. Naming the angles. What I want everyone to note down this, okay? Now, suppose I am naming, suppose this angle, okay? Let me put it 1, because suppose I am naming the angle number 1, okay? Now, this angle 1 can be named as, either you can say angle P, if you're talking about internal angle, okay? But you can also say angle TPQ or angle QPT. Now understand what I'm trying to say. We are talking about this angle, right, Naja? P. So this is self-understood or not? But why is it TPQ? TPQ. Whatever letter is the middle, that is the name of that. TPQ. Or you can also say, if I use blue color here, QPT. The center letter is what? it gives it should be two
सर
lines.
फर्स्ट वाला करेक्ट है कि राइट है? P एंगल P.
Angle P भी correct है, ये भी correct है, ये भी correct. I'll come to Vedant to you 1 second. So Naja and everyone else, how you write? Either write just the letter if it is very clear enough. If not, write in this form. Like you go from here to here, so TPQ or QPQ. For example, I'll give one more example. Suppose a angle S. Tell me, Nishita, angle 2 can be written in like, what is name of angle 2? First is angle S. What other name?
Says angle 2Q.
Angle 2.
Yeah. Is it, which one is it?
I wrote in blue, see this one.
Oh, RST.
Angle RST. Any other name? Priyanka, any other name?
So
Sir TSR.
TSR. So Priyanka, what we should do is, one if it can directly write the letter, right? Otherwise we go like this or we go like this. When you say RST, RST means RST. Or we go TSR. We go from T to S and S to R. Yes, man.
Sir SRT and STR is wrong, no?
STR is wrong, SRT is wrong. The middle, the angle letter should be coming in the middle, okay?
Okay, sir.
Very good question. Vedant, ask your question now.
It was you just answered it.
Very nice. So guys, this is the most common mistake people make in angles. The name, the letter should be in middle. Now, what I want all of you to do is, I am going to write okay. See the angle in Q, the green one.
Yes, sir.
Please write on chat all three names of angle in green. Let's see. I want all of you to write all the three names of angle in green. Let's see how many of you can write all the three correct names. So I can see Nishita wrote, Vedant wrote, everyone write. Okay, don't write in private chat, guys. Write in the public chat, like the way Nishita did, right? Dhruvan said, okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please, Dhruvan.
Sir, when you're writing the angles, can you put the letters in small or do they have to be in capital?
It depends upon what is mentioned in the diagram.
So you cannot change the letter, yeah?
You should not ideally.
Okay.
Angle R is not there, Mayank. Angle R is different. You are correct. Naja, and everyone should write. Kanak, Pinka. So, either we can say, the way to write is this. This is the sign of angle, right? You say angle Q, or you'll say angle PQR, or you'll say angle RQ. Correct, everybody? The naming of angles, naming of sides, very important. Anybody, any question on angle, names and sides? Cool. Typing on this angle side is difficult, so no problem. You can write this angle. Don't worry, man. On chat.
Okay, sir.
So, I'll ask few questions to everybody, and person will tell me the name. Person will answer me the question in terms of true or false. Okay, very fast, true or false. Okay.
So do we type it in chat?
No, I'll ask orally. You have to just tell me.
Okay.
I'll quickly ask the questions, and I'm going to make it difficult, guys. Okay. Now it become more interesting. Okay. It's a complex figure, right? You see this? A, B, C, D. Now we start with Priyanka. Priyanka,
Yes, sir.
EB, is it a valid side or not? EB.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
EB is a side or not of this polygon or this complex figure?
So it is a side.
No. E and B are not joined, right? EB join कहाँ हुआ है? मेरे को EB को join किया मैंने नहीं किया ना?
No, sir.
No, it is not a side. Got it? Tell me, Naja, BD is a side of this figure or not?
No.
No, because they are not joined. Tell me, Jia, angle ACB is a valid angle on this or not?
Pardon, you said is a what?
See the whiteboard.
Yeah, so it is a joint angle.
Angle ACB is valid?
Yes.
Okay. Now what I'm going to do is, guys, I'm going to name and then I'll ask you.
No,
Suppose that
sorry.
this is angle 1 second. This is angle 2. This is angle 3. Then
Sir,
I have to ask you.
angle ACB is not valid.
Angle ACB is valid. I'll tell you why. 4, 5. This is a lot of people have confusion. This is 6. This is 7. Understand the way I am putting. This is 8. Guys, how many angles I have made? This is 9. Do you see numbers?
Okay, sir, angle 5 is ACB.
Exactly, Mayank. Perfect. So you answered. We start with Mishita. Mishita, quickly tell me the name of angle 2.
ADE.
Good. Kanak, tell me the name of angle 1.
AEC. No.
Angle 1.
DAB.
DAE. E. Or DAC. See, we are talking about angle 1 is this only, right? It is formed from this line and this line, right, Kanak? Right, Kanak? Angle 1 is formed from only these two lines. So you can say angle 1. Either you can say DAE or you can say DAC. That's it. Or EAD or CA. Correct, Kanak? Good. Tell me, Vedant, how will you name angle 8? Explain to everybody. Tell me 2 or 3 names.
Okay, angle 8 is DEC
Good.
or wait, no. So
DC is good.
yeah, and CED.
Perfect. Understood, guys, the difference? You cannot say,
And sir, E also.
हाँ, but E में बहुत सारे एंगल है, कौन सा मानोगे, right? तू ऊपर, see, Mayank, we cannot
Okay,
say
sir.
E. You know why we cannot say E, Mayank? कि how do you know this is E? This also can be E, right? We cannot say. So it's not clear. So you cannot. Very good. Vedant, super. Dhruvansh, how will you name angle 9, Dhruvansh? Is Dhruvansh there? Oh, looks like. Where is Dhruvansh? Looks like disconnected. Okay. Jia, how will you name angle 9?
DEC.
Angle 9 ऊपर वाला है.
All right, sorry. DEA and
DEA.
AED.
Very good. Understood? Naja, it's a very thin thing. Naja, how will you name angle 6?
ABC or
ABC or CBA. This angle you also can say angle B also because it's a very clear. There is nothing else, right? Very nice. Good. Mishita, how will you tell me angle number 4?
DCA.
DCA is
DCE.
good. Good.
and angle C. No, wait, no, not
You can't
angle
say
C.
angle C. But you can reverse the order, right? If you want.
ACD
ACD is correct.
and ECD.
Wow. See guys, 4 names you can put in. What I want everyone to is how to name the sides and how to name the angle should be clear because whole geometry you have to talk about that. Cool? Yes, Jia.
So I had a question that
Yes.
because it's DCA, can we do CDA?
What you said?
So because like it's
No, you said
DCA,
CDA, right?
yeah. So can you do
See,
that?
no. Which is coming in the middle? D. See, the letter in middle will tell the angle. This is the middle, right?
Mm-hmm.
So CDA is this angle. Full. See, CDA is this angle.
Yes.
Angle 2 and 3 together. You cannot say. Because the letter in middle will tell which angle it is.
Okay.
Very good.
So you can switch it around, but you can move the letters.
No, you cannot move letters. But what you can do is, you can see, like suppose angle 4. So let me use a different color for Gia. Gia, this is angle 4, only this, right?
Okay.
So the angle 4 is made up of which arms, which sides? You will say, sir, the angle 4 is made of which sides? One is this side
And A.
and this side, right?
Yes.
Look at now.
Okay.
So you can say only either angle DCE or ECD or DCA. It's like that, right? Which are you just
Yeah.
name. So C should come in the middle.
Okay.
Are you clear 100%? Good. Now, but you know what? But Gia asked a very interesting question. I was about to ask you, if I say angle 2 plus 3 together, what different names we can put? She already answered some, but I want to, who can answer me more? What different names of angle D? Tell me, who want to answer? Yes, please.
So can you do ADCE
Only 3 letters are enough. A, D, C.
or EDC?
Not E. C, D, right? E is not coming picture. E is the middle point.
Right. So like. Mhm.
Correct? We're talking about this angle, right? It's formed from this.
Sir, can I say?
Yes, Mayank, please.
Sir, angle D.
Angle D or angle ADC or angle CDA, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
Mayank,
And
I am
sir,
going to ask you a very difficult question now, Mayank. Okay? Everybody be sure. Let's Mayank try. Mayank, I am combining 2 different angles, okay?
okay,
With
sir.
brown color. This angle, what name you will put?
Yes, sir.
Think about it.
Sir, angle AED.
Angle AED is half of it only. See,
AEC, sorry, sir.
AEC is correct. Very good, Mayank. It's angle AEC. Got it?
Angle CEA and angle E.
Yes. Nice. Anybody, any question on this? Naja, any question?
Sir, can we say angle AED?
No, AED to Mayank, it will be half angle, right? Dekho, AED, right? It will be half only, right? We're looking for full, right?
Okay, sir.
We cannot. So, if I draw like this, okay, guys, this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. We start with Naja. Naja, I'll draw in a pink color. Please tell me name of the angle in pink. Tell me name of the angle in pink.
DAC and CADA.
Very good, Naja. Superb. Very nice. Priyanka, tell me name of the angle in green.
So angle AE. And
Say again.
angle AED.
ना मिडिल में आना चाहिए name. Angle ये वाला है right में प्रियंका. तो ये कौन सी लाइन से बन रहा है? One line this and one line this, right? What is the name of this line?
Sir,
DA.
D.
DA, this line का नाम, right? What is the name of this line?
Sir,
DA.
AE.
उन दोनों को ज्वाइन करेंगे तो क्या बन जाएगा?
Sir, DEA.
नो, ये बीच में आना चाहिए. एंगल कहाँ पे बन रहा है? ए पे. देखो प्रियंका बीच में आना चाहिए लेटर. You will say DAE या फिर you will say EAB. Are you clear प्रियंका? बीच में सेंटर में आना चाहिए लेटर जहाँ एंगल बन रहा है.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है, we will try one more. Okay. So Priyanka, tell me where is this orange angle name? Orange angle name. Okay. Take your time and tell me the name of this angle. Priyanka.
Sir, angle CAB.
Perfect. See, now you got it. CAB. Good. Is everyone clear about angle names and side names? Dhruvansh, all good? I know you got disconnected.
Yes, sir.
So it's about angles naming and this. Now, I told you about diagonals, right? Suppose if I make some kind of this kind of figure, and if I make A, B, C, D, and suppose I make this also and this also. I want everyone to tell me on the chat how many diagonals are there for this and what are names of the diagonal. How many diagonals are there?
Sir, 2.
Very good. 2 diagonals. Can you write the name of diagonals, guys? Kanak, what are diagonals?
Sorry.
Yes, what are name of diagonals? AC and
DB.
or DB also. You can say AC or CA. Both are correct. Or you can say BD or it's correct in order. In angle you can. Clear everyone? What are diagonals and all?
Yes, sir.
Now, if I tell you that how many diagonals square has? 2, right? But there is a one beautiful rule. How to find? Let me make it. How to find number of diagonals of polygon? Because if I give you decagon, can you count manually through how many diagonals? No, right? Rule is very simple. N multiply by n minus 3 divided by 2. Write down this. Naja, everyone, Kanak, write down this rule. To find how many number of diagonals in a polygon, n times n minus 3 by 2. Square. The square has how many sides? 4 sides, yeah? So n will be how much? 4. Right, Naja? Square is how many sides? 4. N is 4. So how many diagonals will be there? Let's calculate. N times
2.
n minus 3 because we know it by 2. So substitute n is 4 times 4 minus 3 divided by 2 equal to 4 times 1 divided by 2. Correct or not? We know that, right? Naja? The rule is n times n minus 3 by 2. So please everybody, can you calculate and tell me how many diagonals it will be on pentagon? Calculate and tell me. How many diagonals pentagon can have? 5 sides, 5 diagonal. Okay. Everybody try. Dhruvansh, Vedant, Jia, Kanak. How many diagonals a pentagon can have? 5, 5. Priyanka, We'll do it together. How many sides pentagon have?
Sir, 5.
So n will be.
Sir, 5.
So let's calculate. Diagonals will be n, which is 5, times n minus 3, 5 minus 3, divided by 2. How many diagonals pentagon will have?
Sir, 5.
Simple hai?
Sir, 5 on.
Correct. So, can everybody get it? How many diagonals octagon have and decagon have? Let's see who can do it fast and correct. GI, it's clear? Interesting, easy? Okay. First, tell me for octagon, how many diagonals? Yuvan said 35 for decagon, Nishita said 20 for octagon, Nishita said decagon 35. Let's see. I'll wait everyone to calculate, okay? For octagon, okay. Kanak, how will you calculate for octagon? Tell everyone.
So octagon has 8 sides.
So,
So 8 times 8 minus 3,
correct. By 2.
and then divide by 2.
So 8 times 5, 40, 40 divided by 2, 20. You got 20? Good, Kanak. Superb. Mayank. Where is Mayank gone?
Yes, sir.
Mayank, कहाँ चले गए तुम? हाँ. Mayank, how you calculate for decagon? Tell me.
Sir, 10 into 10 minus 3 by 2.
10 into
10 minus 3.
by 2. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Sir, can I go to the bathroom?
Yes, please.
Thank you.
So everybody got it. Now, what I want you to find out is this question, okay? I'm going to write the question in pink in the bottom. You have to tell me yes, no, why. Can any polygon have 40 diagonals? Yes, no, why? Try everybody. Can any polygon have 40 diagonals? Yes, no, why? When I say 40, I mean exactly 40, not more, not less, okay? Let's see what people are saying. Can any polygon have 40 diagonals? Yes, no. Kanak says no. Okay. Duan says no. Mishita says no. Okay. Mishita, why no?
Because
Because
how if a decagon has 35 and
okay,
and if what's it called?
you can say polygon with 11 sides.
A polygon with 11 sides has, well, it has, yes.
Polygon with
If-
11 sides is how many?
I guess
11 times 11 minus 38 divided by 2. 44.
44.
So decagon
So,
has 35.
so in
Polygon 11 side is 44. So there is nothing. You can't say a half side, right? Got it, Mishita? Good. So guys, everybody say answer is no. Polygon cannot have 40 diagonals. It will be 35 or it will be 40. Cool, everyone?
Yes.
Now, let's play a game, okay? 5 minutes, 2 minutes game. I am a polygon. I am a hidden polygon. That's what you have to find out, right? With many sides. I have more than, say, 85 diagonals. But less than 95 diagonals. Who am I? Tell me who can answer this, okay? Naja, interesting? Which figure it is? How many sides this figure is? 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 20, 30, 50. Tell me. Jia, possible to do? No? Why? Yeah, it will take a little time, but doable, right? Let's see who comes first. So let's see who got it. Vedant. Vedant got it. So Vedant, you just tell me, oh, Kanak got it, Vedant got it. Vedant, you tell the name, the way. So your answer calculation is correct. You will say the polygon will have this many sides. Kanak and Vedant got it. Good. Kanak has very nicely mentioned 3 quiz points. Good. Vedant, write in the chat. This will have this many sided polygon. Okay. So 2 people have done it. What others, please? Jia. It's doable. You do calculation, trial error. Correct, Vedant. Nishita, you're not done yet. Naja, Mayank, Ruansh. How, Vedant and Kanak, tell me secret. How can you do a watch? Yes, Priya, ask me.
So I think a shape with 15 sides can have,
Okay.
no.
You should write it and
Yeah.
tell me. Okay, Mishita said this. Okay, Mishita, let me check. Mishita, just check your calculation. Oh, yes, no, you done it correct. Okay, Mishita, you corrected it.
I thought I wrote that, but then I realized I didn't type.
So we have 4 people who done correct. Vedant, Kanak, Mishita, and Jia. Others, please. Dhruvansh got it. Good. Priyanka, Naja.
Sir,
I saw that Dhruvansh. I saw. Got it. Good. Tell the secret, Kanak. Tell the secret, Vedant. How fast you have done and why? How?
I just kind of looked for a number that was greater than 11 because that was the last one we
So you
did.
started greater than 11. That's a good thing. Start with 12, 13,
Yeah.
14, 15, 16. Okay.
And I
Yeah.
just kind of randomly, instead of doing 12, 13, or 14, I just chose 15.
The round number. Yes.
Yeah.
Correct. So how will we do it, Priyanka? How will we do it? We know that diagonals are between 85 to 90. We don't know exactly how many, right, Priyanka? You will start with some number, right, Priyanka? What?
Yes, sir.
Let's see what you start with, suppose. Let's say n equal to what? You know up to 11 it cannot be more than 11, right? Either 12 or 13 or 14 or 15 or 16 or 18 or 20.
Sir,
Right?
14.
Yeah, n equal to 14. So diagonals will be how many? 14 times 14 minus 3, 11 by 2. Or 7 times 11, 77. Little less, right?
Yes, sir.
So what we'll do now? We will say 14 is less, correct?
Yes, sir.
What we'll do now?
So,
We'll try a little more, either 15 or 16, right?
sir, 15.
50. 15 times 15 minus 12, 15 minus 3, 12 by. And luckily, as Vedant said, we got 90. And 90 is perfectly okay. Now to cross check whether it's okay or not, we should try 16 also. What if there is also one more polygon which lesser than 95? Let's try n equal to 16 times 16 minus 3, 13 by 2. So become 16 times or 8 times 30. So no, right? So this is the only figure where you are having diagonal which are between 85 to 85. You will say the answer is 15-sided polygon. That's the answer. Mayank got it?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please. What?
What if you have a big number as the amount of diagonals? So you can't guess for the numbers. Yeah. So how do you find it out?
Then you have to use algebra. Like
Okay.
you use algebra. You know n into n minus 3 is a good question. By 2. And what number? Suppose they are saying somebody has say 200 diagonals. So let's say somebody say 200 to 250. You put like this, correct? But the question
Yes,
was, I have a diagonal which is more than 200 but lesser than 250, suppose. So you make a question, you know that this is the formula, right?
Yeah.
And this is the question. Question says it is more than 200. So let's suppose. Solve it now. N minus 3 greater than 200 to 400. Now, instead of to make it easy, again, I am not going to explain because this is a higher level algebra, class 10. N square.
Sir, how can you find n is equal to 15?
See, with trial and error, right? When you put 15, the answer is coming between 90 and 95, right? 80 and 95, right? 15 से कितना आ रहा है? So what will do? I'll come back to man. So Dhruvansh, let's say it is equal to 400. And then we'll solve the quadratic equation. You learn in grade 10 how to solve quadratic equation. Solve this, you get the value of n. And that's it you'll find out. In grade 10, you will grade 10. But again, this beyond this class, in grade 10, you will learn how to find out a quadratic equation solution. You can find out easily. Yes, tell me now. What you're saying? Somebody was asking me something. Jia.
I just didn't understand.
हाँ ये तुम्हारा ये किसी के लिए नहीं है. None of you can understand. This is the grade 10. So no, you don't have to do. What Dhruva asking how you can find out? You have to make an equation. Otherwise, Dhruvansh, better thing is take some numbers. Trial and error is the best
Okay,
method.
sir.
So Naja, best method is trial and error for us. Let's say n equal to 20. Just say. Mayank, it's for you also. If n is 20, what's the answer? 20 times 20 minus 3, 17 by 2. Kitna hoga? We are very close, right? So if n is not 20, n is say 22. 22 minus 3, 19. 11 into 19. कितना होता है 11 to 19? That's the answer. Check. What is 11 to 19? So obviously it's a 22 side polygon. So trial error is better to watch. Naja got it? No need to do quadratic. So Mayank, that is how we are done. We had trial error, we tried with 14, 15 and we got 15. Cool everyone?
Sir, I don't understand.
What? Not this question I am saying. You don't have to understand this one. Previous question I am saying. You know to how we got previous question or no?
Sir, no.
What was the previous question? Previous question was this, right, Venk?
Yes, sir.
What we need a polygon which is 85 or 95, diagonal between these two, right? Correct?
Yes, sir.
What we have done is, Mayank, forget this. So do trial errors. Let's say n equal to 14. If n is 14, how much will be the diagonals? Tell me. What is the formula for diagonal?
Sir, n into n minus 3 by 2.
Correct? What will n put here?
Sir,
14?
14.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
So what is 14 into 11 by 2 or 77? But how
Yes.
much diagonals we need? 85 or more. We getting only 77. So can n be 14? No.
No, sir.
So Mayank will try with 15 now. So 15 हो जाएगा यहाँ पे. 15 minus 3 is 12.
12.
कितना आएगा? 15 times 12 by 2 6. कितना आएगा?
6.
We got 90, right?
Yes, sir.
We wanted between 85 to 95. So 90 is correct.
Okay, sir.
So you can say 15 is correct. Tell me now, anybody, any question? Is all good about diagonals? No
So
confusion?
did you?
Please.
So did you do like 12 divided by 2 and then did you get and then you did 5 times 6?
15 times 6. 15 है ना?
15 times 6, sorry.
सर लेकिन हम लोग 14 के ही बारे में क्यों सोचेंगे?
क्योंकि हमको डायगोनल कितना चाहिए?
85 और 95 के बिटवीन.
बीच में. अगर छोटा लोगे तो वो कम आएगा. 14 से भी कम आ रहा था, राइट?
Yes, sir.
If you take lesser than 14, much lesser. Try and error. मतलब कि पहले try small, big.
Okay, sir.
Correct? Priyanka, good? Jia, all good?
Yes.
Pakka, 100%, everyone.
Yes.
Okay. So this is about diagonals, polygons. No, next class we're going to start with quadrilaterals. But I want to give you introduction now before we close. What is quadrilateral? Tell me, Kanak, what is a quadrilateral?
A four-sided shape.
A four-sided closed polygon, right? Or closed figure, right? Or four-sided polygon. Everybody knows this, right? Quadrilateral. Does everyone know this or not?
Yes, sir.
Quad means four. So, types of quadrilateral. Can you tell me some names? Everybody tell one name. Priyanka, tell me any one quadrilateral. Everybody tell one name. Priyanka?
So,
Square, right?
yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me, Jia.
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Tell me, Raja.
Rhombus.
Rhombus. Tell me, Kanak.
A kite.
Say again. Kite. Very good. Tell me, Mishita.
Parallelogram.
Parallelogram. Vedant. Vedant, Mayank, Dhruvansh.
Sir, trapezium.
Trapezium. Good. Square, rectangle, rhombus, parallelogram, kite, trapezium, right? These are the major types of quadrilateral. Correct, Raja? And everyone? Quadrilateral. Tell me. Tell me which type of polygon or quadrilateral this is. Tell me. Mishita? Dhruvan?
Sir, is
Sir.
it trapezium?
Okay. Vedant?
It
It's not a quadrilateral.
It's not.
Okay, you are right. Both of you are right, Naja.
Never mind, it's not a country.
It's not a
But I
quadrilateral.
didn't see the. Oh, wait.
I'd say I tricked you guys. So that, yes, it's not closed. It is not a quadrilateral. It is not a polygon itself.
Sir, a four-sided polygon.
पर खोल नहीं है. No, it's not polygon, man. Closed नहीं है ना वो. It's open right here. It is not.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Like yesterday, also I explained you one more thing here, right? Remember, if I make this kind of diagram, is it a polygon or not? Mayank.
Sir, no.
Mayank, is this a polygon or not?
Yes, sir.
Polygon?
Sir, complex curve.
Is it a polygon?
Yes, sir.
It's a complex curve. It's not simple. Polygon are simple closed curves, right?
Okay, sir.
What is quadrilateral? No, we are going to talk in length about different quadrilaterals. But
सर मतलब कॉम्प्लेक्स हो चाहे सिंपल हो, अगर वो क्लोज्ड है तो पॉलीगॉन है ना?
नहीं, पॉलीगॉन हमेशा सिंपल ही होना चाहिए.
Okay, sir.
It's like complex figure. So this is about different quadrilaterals. Now square and rectangle, everybody knows. Is any confusion about square rectangles? No, we are going to talk about it tomorrow's next week's class, about lot of quadrilaterals properties. But one thing is very important, which is known as area and perimeter. No, I don't want to tell you a specific figure. I want to ask you, what do you mean by area and what do you mean by perimeter? The concept, the meaning of area. Yes, Naja. And then Dhruva.
Sir, area means the space inside the shape or.
Suppose I make like this.
Polygon.
And suppose I make. Tell me, Naja. Yes, Dhruvansh.
So in that figure, red is the perimeter of it and green is the area.
Correct.
And perimeter is like the boundary of the polygon, and area is the space the polygon occupies on the floor.
Area is the region inside that polygon, and perimeter is the boundary, or you can say circumference of perimeter, depending on which kind of figure it is. But the edges, the boundary. So perimeter, the basic concept is very interesting, very simple concept of perimeter. Okay, so let me do it. It doesn't matter which kind of figure it is. Perimeter has only one concept, which all of you should know. Perimeter is not about formula. Perimeter means sum of length of all sides. That is it. Nothing else, guys. A lot of people say formula 2L plus B 4A. No. If you understand this, you can find perimeter of any kind of figure. If I say this is 5 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter, this is 3 centimeter, this is 3 centimeter. Can you find perimeter of this figure or not?
Or 60 centimeter.
So perimeter will be 5 plus 3 plus 5 plus 3. That's 16 centimeter. You add all the lengths. No formulas required. Even
Sir.
if I yes, please.
To find, like when you're finding the perimeter, does that can it be on an open shape or does it have to be on
It's also a closed shape always. Okay. Very good question. If I make a figure like this, tell me first, after looking at the figure, I am making very weird figure, okay? Is it possible to find out perimeter of this figure or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Jia says no. Why no, Jia?
Sorry, you can find it, but
But what?
yeah, It's a yes. Sorry.
Pakka, no, it's yes, there is no.
No,
If
yeah,
small
it's a
confusion,
yes.
ask me. No?
I was confused.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes, Dhruvansh.
So one of the edges of the polygon, there is a small space left between the lines.
Okay. there is
So
a
will it
mistake.
still be
I
considered?
understand. No, that is a mistake in my drawing.
So-
So, yeah, that's the mistake. Assuming there is no space. Okay? Assuming. But it's a good observation. Like, okay. So, Jia, possible? For example, if I say this side is, okay, let me write everything in blue. This side is 4 centimeter. This side is 7 centimeter. This is 3 centimeter. This is 5. This is 8. This is 4. This is 4. First of all, is it a regular polygon, guys, or irregular polygon? What do you think, Kanak?
Regular?
Is it a regular polygon or irregular? Jia, Priyanka, Nishita,
So it's a irregular polygon
why?
because most of the sides they aren't equal.
Correct. If all the sides are equal, then only it's regular. Okay? In this case, 3 sides are equal, but doesn't matter. It is irregular, right? Naja, Priyanka? Now tell me, Jia and Kanak. Is it a convex polygon or concave polygon?
Convex polygon?
Convex?
Concave.
No,
Concave?
concave.
Concave. Jia takes 5 seconds and then she comes back. Good. So it is concave. Why is concave, Kanak?
Because the number 4 and the H1, they're facing inward.
Inward. They're inwards. Good. Now, obviously, we can find out perimeter of any figure, including this. How? Because I said concept is what? Sum of length of all sides. Nothing else there. Sum of length of all sides. You will say, sir, the perimeter is. You say, sir, the perimeter is so easy. 4 plus 7, 11, plus 3, 14, plus 5, 19, plus 8, 27, plus 32, plus 4, 36, 36 centimeters. That's it. What's the big deal? No formulas. Yes, Naja.
Sir, if the other 4 wasn't there and the 8 was connecting to like the other 4, will 7 and 3 is because of 7 and 3 will it still be a concave?
So, I have to understand. You are saying if this is like this, correct?
Yeah. So because
इसको
of the
हटा दो.
7 3,
1 second.
that
और इसको क्या कर दो? This still a concave.
concave.
Now, if Kanak, sorry, if Naja says, sir, I don't like this, you make it like this. No, it is not concave. It is not concave. Okay. But tell me which polygon it is. What's the name of this polygon?
Hexagon.
Guys, it is hexagon.
Yes, sir.
Correct. We can still find out. We can find everything: regular, irregular, concave, convex. We can find number of diagonals. We can find out internal angles. We can find out sum of external angles. Everything we'll find out, right? Because we know the method. Cool. Very easy or not? If I ask you this, both are rectangles, okay? This is the last question of the day. Both are rectangles. Both are rectangles, okay? So important things are both are rectangles. Okay. And this side is 8 centimeter. The smaller one. Means this side is 8 centimeter. Okay. And this side is 5 centimeter. Okay. The 8 and 5. And you can assume the width of all the 4 sides is equal this. Now all the 4 sides, it is set 2 centimeter, which not 2 centimeters, say 1. So I want a very simple question, okay? I don't want anything else. Find out difference in perimeter of both. Calculate. Inside what is 8 centimeter long, 5 centimeter wide. The width of all the 4 sides is 1 centimeter. Think about it.
22.
Okay.
Sir, it's difference, right?
You tell me difference, right?
No, it's difference. You're finding the difference between the two rectangles.
Difference between two perimeters. Difference in perimeter of two rectangles.
Oh, okay.
What is perimeter of smaller one?
26.
26.
Let me put it here. What is perimeter of small rectangle? Maja? Small rectangle. 8 plus 5 plus 8. Rectangle have equal side opposite, right? Naja, if top is 8, this also will be 8.
Yes, sir.
If this is 5, this also will be 5, left and right.
Yes, sir.
Rectangle mein wo hota, right, Naja?
Yes, sir.
What is perimeter of smaller rectangle?
26.
26 centimeter. Everybody agree? Mishita, if you have to find out perimeter of bigger rectangle, what is the length of the bigger side?
The bigger side is 10, sir.
Why 10? Everybody, explain, Nishita. 10 is
Because if the width is on both sides 1 centimeters, on both sides it will be 1 centimeters.
correct. Understood everybody what she said? 1 second, Nishita. So, guys, this is 8. And this is extra 1 and the extra 1, right? So, this becomes 10 or not, guys? Naja, correct or not? ये तो 8 है. Plus 1 extra इधर है, 1 extra इधर है. So, this become 10, right? Or this become 10, right, Naja? So, 10. Tell me, Mishita, tell everyone, Mishita, how much will be breadth of the bigger one?
Sir, 7.
7, Naja. Correct, because this is 5, right, Naja and everyone? Plus 1 extra, plus 1 extra. So, the big one become 5 plus 1 plus 1, right? It says it. So, 10 plus 7. That's why 10 plus 7
Sir, 34.
plus 10 plus 7. Is it clear, everybody? Naja, clear hai? How we make it's very simple. So 34 centimeter is the perimeter of the big one. So tell me, Priyanka, now what is the difference in perimeter of both?
So the
34 is big perimeter, 26 is small perimeter. The difference is
8 centimeter.
correct, na? It's a very simple thing, guys. What we have to do is first find small one, you know it. Then find the big one. Big one के लिए you take the width also. जिस तुम्हारा photo frame होता है, right, in at home. Photo frame ऐसे होता है ना, निशिता, मजेदार. So tell me, how many of you are clear and how many of you are not? Is all good?
Yes, sir, I have clear.
Perimeter is very simple thing. Add. That's it. Doesn't matter. Even if it is 100 sides, add them. Cool. We are going. So obviously you will get videos of yesterday and today in next 2-3 days. Go through it again. Next week onwards, we are going to do properties of parallelogram and all different quads. Okay, very interesting, very little difficult, but we'll make it easy and simple. Okay, cool. Today I took 20 minutes or 15 minutes extra. So Enjoy now. Bye bye.
Okay, thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes,
Thank you,
Naja.
bye.
Naja, you can talk to me one to one.
This is from yesterday's.
Yes.
The last question, something like a rocket.
Yes.
It's, I can't understand how you got 140 degrees as the x.
So what happens generally, Naja, is see like this. So Naja, suppose something is like this, okay?
Okay, sir.
Some line is like this, okay? Generally, this full is 180. The full angle, the straight angle is 180 always. एक कोई लाइन ऐसा हुआ तो ये पूरा एंगल 180 होता है स्ट्रेट लाइन का, ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
That's the rule. The straight line angle is 180. अगर ये 50 है, if this one is 50, तो ये कितना होगा?
That will also be 50.
No, 130. Total 180 होना चाहिए ना?
Okay, sir.
For example, the sum should be 180. Naja.
Okay.
ये लाइन दिख रहा है तुम्हें?
Okay,
ये
sir.
लाइन पे जो एंगल होता है, सपोज यहाँ पे if I put a point, ये 180 होता है.
Okay, sir.
Now if I say Naja, if I put something like this line, and if I say this angle is 80 degree, तो ये बचा हुआ कितना होगा?
100?
Correct. तो कल वाले क्वेश्चन में ऐसे कुछ था, right?
Yes, sir.
Something was like that. I don't remember, but
Sir, we draw like this.
I know that. What I'm trying to say is, it was like this somewhere.
Yes. So the top one, it is 130 degrees.
It is 130, correct?
Yes, sir. No, 30
much?
degrees, sorry.
Only 30. Okay. How much was this one?
That was 70 degrees.
7. तो ये अंदर वाला कितना होगा? अभी जो कंसेप्ट बताया मैंने.
110.
करेक्ट, बिकॉज 180 टोटल होना चाहिए ना. ठीक है. ये कितना था?
Yes.
राइट वाला कितना था?
That was 60 degrees, sir.
60. तो तुम बताओ अंदर वाला कितना होगा?
Yes, sir. 120 degrees, sir.
करेक्ट है.
Yes, sir.
तो हमको 3 एंगल मिल गए.
Yes, sir.
I'll put red. एक 30 है, एक 110 है और एक 120 है. करेक्ट.
Yes, sir.
अब this angle we don't know, this angle we don't know.
Yes, sir.
But it was given both are x, correct?
Yes, sir.
So we all the 5 angles know, we know 30, 110, 120, x and x. इन सबका सम कितना होना चाहिए? We found out, right? पेंटागन में n minus 3 और n minus 2.
Yes.
इन 5 का सम क्या होना चाहिए? 30 plus 110 plus 120 plus x plus x. और ये कितना होना चाहिए? जो हमने कल निकाला था पेंटागन में कितना होता टोटल?
360.
दोनों इंटरनल एंगल. रिमेंबर n minus 2 into 180 rule. Yesterday I told you angle sum property.
Yes, sir.
Angle sum property क्या होता है?
N minus 2 into 180.
Correct. और n कितना है यहाँ पे? कितना, कौन सा फिगर है ये? पेंटागन है ना?
Yes, sir.
कितना होगा?
5.
कितना हुआ ये? 540. मतलब नजा, व्हाट इज दैट? आई एम सेइंग ये सारा मिला के 540 होना चाहिए. 540.
Okay, sir.
दिस वाज अ डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन, बट सो इसको सॉल्व कर लो. ये कितना हो जाएगा तीनों को ऐड करके? 260. 30 plus 110 plus 120 कितना होगा? 260.
60, sir.
तो क्वेश्चन बन गया 260 plus 2x equal to 540.
So we will subtract 260 from
करेक्ट.
5.
ये क्वेश्चन करेक्ट, ये क्लियर है कि नहीं ये वाला?
Yes, sir.
तो यू विल सब्ट्रैक्ट 260 now. let me remove 260 from here.
8, 280, 260.
It will come 280. You do at home, 280 will get it, right?
Yes, sir.
2x is 280. What is x?
X is 280 divided by 2.
And that's it. 140. So there were two rules important. One is angle sum, but more important was this angle, this one.
Yes, sir.
Easy, na?
Yes,
How
sir.
did you feel today?
Happy, sir. Finally understood something.
Good. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.